म्हादयाच्या विशयाचेर सरकारान राजकारण करचे सोडचे. गोयचो सैम वाचोवपा खातीर म्हादय महत्वाची आसा. ताका लागून केंद्र तशेंच राज्य सरकारान ह्या विशीं संवेदनशीलतायेन विचार करपाची गरज आसा. फक्त खंयच्या राज्याचे कितले खासदार आसात ताचो विचार करून म्हादय न्हंयेक वळून गोयचो गळो सुकोवचो न्हय अशें म्हादय बचाव आंदोलनाची निमंत्रक निर्मला सावंतान म्हटलां.
The SLP file should be challenged and should be brought to the logical end. The Tiger Reserve would have strengthened the position of Mhadei and would have brought an obstacle for the diversion. But the government is thinking in different way. I do not know what is the reason. If Mhadei is diverted and the environment of the Western Ghat gets disturbed, we'll have to face a lot of problems. Now what is happening in North India, the similar problems we'll have to face. Therefore, protect the tiger so that the balance of the herbivorous animals will be kept and they will not encroach the cultivated areas and will not disturb the food cultivation. If there is scarcity of the food, the problem of humanity will have to, the human beings will have to face starvation. Therefore, since all these matters are interlinked, the government has to be very serious about the environment and should not think politically. It doesn't matter who has got 28 MPs and who has 2 MPs. It is in totality the central government has to see and also the state government when acting have to act not only intellectually but also has to consider emotionally what the people of Goa are going to face.